Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good afternoon a bit to everyone who's already here. First of all, thank you for being here. Today it's going to be a lesson, an extension of our lesson, and the previous lesson on Sunday was about how was it formed. Okay, so in this lesson, you are basically learning about landforms, different landforms that we have in the world. Okay, so in the previous lesson, we've learned about landscapes in different countries. So today, this week, you are learning about different landforms that's available in different countries as well. Okay, right. So without wasting any more of our time, we are going to start our lesson, and this lesson is going to be started with a video on landforms. And as usual, you're going to answer questions on your live chat section, and then we are going to have to go through to the questions and answers together. Right. So if you know the answer, share the answers on the live chat section, and then we are going to discuss them together. And if you have any questions, do ask in the live chat section along the way so that we can address them and then perhaps have a little bit of discussion about it. Okay. Right. So I'm just going to share the screen. Okay, get ready. It's going to be a very short exercise. Okay, where is the whale? Okay, can you see the whale? Okay, is it in a lake? It's under a hill, or is it in the ocean, or it's next to the water? Okay, I'm going to play the video again so that you can see. Okay, Hidayat has said the answer could be in the ocean. Any other answers? In the ocean? Okay, let's see if that is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Very well done so far. Okay, where are these monkeys? Okay, are they on a kite? They are in the city, they are on a hill, or they are in the river? The monkeys there, where are they? Okay, I'm going to replay the video again. Okay, where are these monkeys? Okay, where are these monkeys, everyone? Okay. B, perhaps they're in the city. You're mentioning B. I'm sure you meant they're in the city. Okay. All right, let's see if that's the correct answer. Okay, good work. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, what landform is this? Okay, can you see here? Is it an island, a mountain, or desert? Okay, going to play the video again. Okay, what landform is this? Is it an island, mountain, or a desert? Okay. Okay, most of you answered island. I'm waiting if we can find any other answers. Okay, let's see if that's the correct answer. Good. All right, let's move on to the next question. Okay, what landform is this space? Is it ocean, plain, or mountain? As you can see here, what landform is this? Okay, is it an ocean, plain, or mountain? Okay, most of you answered plain. Good job. All right, moving on to the next question. Okay, what's behind the cheetahs? Okay, these are the cheetahs. Okay, as you can see, what's behind them? As you can see, there's some sort of a landform there. Okay, there are hills behind the cheetahs. There's a mountain B behind the cheetahs, or C there are islands behind the cheetahs, or D hell is behind the cheetahs. Okay, A, B, C, or D. What do you think is behind the cheetahs? Okay. Okay, let's say B, mountain. How about the rest? Let's say A, okay? Let's see. Okay, most of you answered A. Okay, let's see if that is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, they're actually hills, okay, because they are quite flat. If that's mountain, you can see quite a peak there. Peak means puncak, right? Hills, they are quite flat. Right, let's move and lower lah. All right, let's move on to the next question. Okay, what's the wrong word here? Wow, look at this soup. Is this whole orange bright thing look like a soup? What do you think is the wrong word here? What's the wrong word there? Wow, look at this soup. Which is the wrong word? Okay, most of it said it's soup. Soup is the wrong word. Okay. Okay, so if it's not a soup, what is it? What is it? The bright orange thing. What do you think that is? Answer in the live chat section. Look at this one. Okay, some say lava, magma, lava, 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 lava. Okay, most of you answered lava. Let's see if that is the correct answer. A volcano. All right, that's the structure of a volcano. Right, let's move on to the next question. Okay, okay, if you can see here, that's a really what? Big what? Is it a pond, a river, or a sea? Okay, what do you think that is? What's a big one in the picture there? Okay, most of you answered river. Right, well done. Okay, so there are actually waterfalls, and big waterfalls came from a river. Okay, right. Let's see, how did you get? How did you do for this one? Well done. Okay, you managed to get 86%, which is one question wrong for this exercise. All right. So those are what we call landforms. Okay, landforms, they can vary from mountains, hills, and other natural landforms. Okay, so to better equip you for this knowledge for your writing uh, task, I'm going to share with you a little bit of a presentation. Okay, okay, about landforms, different landforms that we have in Malaysia and in other countries as well. Okay, right. So as you can see that this is also a form of landforms, and this is in the form of a rock. Okay, right. So landforms could vary from mountains. Okay, mountains, they rise above surrounding landscapes. They have steep sides and high peaks, means that steep sides here, very curam, high peaks, puncak yang tinggi. If it reach high into atmosphere where it is cold, that snow is found on the peak. Okay, if it's too high, you can find snow on the peak. And we have Mount Kinabalu and Mount Ledang. Okay, there's also deserts. This is not deserts. Deserts mean gurun. Okay, so deserts doesn't have to be in only in hot country. It always have in regions of low rainfall. Okay, it doesn't have to be hot. It can also be cold as well. Okay, so regions of low rainfall, meaning that kawasan yang mempunyai tadan hujan yang rendah, they could have deserts. Okay, it's found in arid or dry environments. Again, it's very dry because there's no rainfall. Okay, you could experience temperature extremes, hot by day and freezing by night. Okay, so the example that is very popular is Saharan Desert here, and Antarctica is also an example of a desert. Okay, right. So for rainforests, you can see that that's the large vegetation depends on rainfall. Okay, human foods and medicines are derived here. Okay, so rainforest, it's something that is very near to us because Malaysia, we have we have a lot of rainforests. Okay, so we have large vegetation, and this is due to the heavy rainfall that we have. Okay, there's also grasslands. Okay, grasslands contain grasses of varying heights and coarseness, small or widely spaced trees. Okay, you can see there are a lot of grass there. So they are always inhabited by grazing animals, meaning animals that need grass to live by. Okay, so if you see grasslands, you can see sometimes cows and sheep grazing there. So those are the kind of animals that live in grasslands. Okay, so this one is not grasslands actually. This is karst landscapes. Okay, so form when mildly acidic water flows over soluble rocks such as limestones. Okay, we have Batu Cave Selangor and Gunung Mulu National Park in Sarawak. Okay, this kind of landscape. Okay, we also have islands. We have Pulau Tioman and Pulau Redang. Right, so for today's task, you are going to create a simple tourist guide. Okay, so we are not talking about a person, you are going to talk about how to write a tourist guide. Okay, so your essay structure, the first thing that you need to do is that you must have the location, okay, other landscapes around the landform, and how was the landform formed, and what popular activity can you do around the landform. Okay, this is an example. Okay, so Halong Bay is in the Gulf of Tonkin in Vietnam. Okay, there are more than 1,600 islands in the area. The islands are limestone towers that have been shaped by wind and water over millions of years. The sea continues to eat away at the bottom of the towers, and the area is popular area for boat cruises. So this is how you are going to write your tourist guide. Okay, it's not going to be very long. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to mention where the landform is. Okay, it can be about landforms in Malaysia, or it can be about landforms in other countries too. Okay, so you can talk about what are the landscapes around it. So in this case, more than 1,600 islands, and then the islands are limestone towers. Okay, what are they made of? And then the sea continues to eat away the bottom of the sea towers. Like what is going on the landform? And you have to mention the area is popular area for boat cruises, etc. Okay, all right. So that was the task for today, right? So any questions from the floor? If you have any questions, please do ask. Any questions? Okay, I'm going to find you the right terminology for. Okay, the right terminology for the Batu Caves just now that I've mistyped it. Okay. Okay, it's actually what we call. Let me just share the screen. Okay, so the one that is about Batu Caves and etc. Let me just share the screen. Okay, so that is the name of the landscape or the landform for Batu Caves. It's karst landscapes, not karst landscapes. Okay, so the landscapes are quite what we call scary lah. In fact, they are because of acidic water. Okay, so Hidayat said there's no question. I'm just going to show you where should you do your work. Okay. Okay, so you are going to go to your Google Classroom. Okay, you're going to write a tourist guide there. Okay. Okay, this is the task that you're going to write about. Okay, so you are going to write there on the Google Classroom. Okay, if there's no question, I'm going to leave you to it. It's already posted on your Google Classroom. Just click on it and start doing it on your Google Doc and submit to me on Google Classroom. With that being said, thank you for attending my class. Enjoy writing the task for today because it's not that long, and have a great weekend. Thank you.